Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to complete or continue the circulatory system. Lesson 3. What is the structure? What is the structure of blood vessels? First, we have to know the definition of blood vessels, arteries and veins, and differentiation between artery, capillaries and veins. The meaning of blood vessels, it's one way. It resembles very long and skinny tunnels that are all through your body. So, which means the blood flows in one direction only in a tunnel that is long and skinny. We have three different types of blood vessels. First one is called arteries, which carry blood away from the heart. Second one is veins, which carry blood towards the heart. And last one is capillaries, which links arterioles to venoles or artery to veins. Artery is a large vessel, carry blood from heart to tissue or from heart to body parts. It carries oxygenated blood with one exception, pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is the only blood vessels, only artery that carry deoxygenated blood. It has thick wall. Why it has a thick wall? So it can withstand pressure produced when heart pushes blood into them. So it has thick wall. Capillaries, it is the smallest blood vessel. Walls are only 1 cell thick and very narrow. It's important for bringing nutrients and oxygen to tissues and absorbing carbon dioxide and other waste products from the cells or the tissues. So we have capillaries, which is the smallest blood vessels, and it is important for bringing nutrients and oxygen to tissues. Last one is veins. Veins, it has not thick wall like arteries, but it has a smooth muscle. Largest veins contain only one-way valves. So what is the purpose or the function of valves? It keep blood flowing toward the hearts, or it prevents blood from flowing backwards. This is the valve of the veins. This one is the valve of the veins. So it allows blood to flow in this way, but blood cannot flow backwards. Only in one direction, from here into here. The only way allowed. Why? Because there is a valves which prevent blood from flowing backwards. Many found near skeletal muscles. When muscles contract, blood is forced through veins so it can move up. This is how they look like, the three different types of blood vessels. The first one is artery, which carries blood away from the heart. Second one is veins, which carry blood towards the heart, and it contains valves. And the link between arteries and veins is capillaries. It's the link between both of them. Here is a comparison between arteries, capillaries, veins. The function of arteries is carries blood away from the heart. Capillaries supply all cells with their requirements and take away waste products. Veins return blood to the heart. Structure of wall: it has thick and strong muscles and elastic tissue. Capillaries: very thin, it's like one cell thick. Veins: quite thin, it's not thick like arteries or very thin like capillaries. It's quite thin, containing less muscle and is elastic tissue. Width of lumen: relatively narrow. It varies with heartbeats as it can stretch and recoil. Capillaries: very narrow, just one cell can pass through. Veins: wide, but contains valves. Hope you understand this lesson. Thank you very much. Goodbye.